All right, we're ready.
Oh my gosh.
That sounds juicy. Try and make a super duper loud fart with that. Okay, that's just way too funny. I went to 5 and below and got this. Here, so you have to put air in the cup, but then you just let it rip, tater chip. Oh shoot. Holy shit is right.
I got it all dirty.
Hey, it should still work though. All right, try it again in the cup. It's about slime. You did that. All right, put it back in the cup and it should work. It doesn't matter if it's dirty. I got another one.
Did you want to do this slime?
Don't stomp on it. You gotta throw it away in the trash later. All right, see if it still works. Well, that's proof that it does. That's a squeaker. Okay, now this has got to be the funniest thing on earth. All right, so it's the FLARP noise putty. One day I want to get a whoopee cushion. I have a water bottle for you too. We can do in another video. All right, guys.
I want you to start flying.
No, not really. What the hell? No, don't do that. We don't want to litter. Oh my gosh, there's a guy with the lawnmower. Run! This is called being silly with Rick. Alright, you want to say hi to the fans?
Bye.
Bye, people.